Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Josie here, and today I'm back with another Yankee Twist crochet here from Amazon. Now, I said previously on this channel I'll be trying out different colors and length of this hair, so you'll have options and an idea of how it looks like before purchasing. And so today I've got this for my girlies who love a pop of color. This is completely new to the channel, the brand, the color, and the length all together. So watch and let me know what you think in the comments. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do so. And now with that being said, let's get right into the video. Now, the brand we are trying out today is Toyotress, and honestly I've really been meaning to try their Yankee Twist out for the longest, and so I was really excited to finally do so. I did a quick unboxing, and inside the bag you have the hair, of course. Also, it's being marketed as 100% handmade, which you're going to find out pretty soon. Again, you get a free crochet pin as well. Now, it comes in a pack of 8, with each pack having 30 strands of the twist, so 240 in total. I did a quick count here. This is completely enough for a full head. That's how a single pack look like. It's 30 strands of that twist. The length is 14 inches, which is actually true to length. This is the ombre burgundy, or more specifically color T118 on the side. Now, with the hair out of the pack, I love the fact that it's not shiny. It's giving human hair vibe. As you can see, it's very springy and stretchy. The curls are very fluffy as well. There are no loose twists. It's tangle free, hence you can easily finger comb through it. This is all 8 packs put together. Now, this is my cornrow braid pattern. It's the usual 16 mini cornrows in the front, 8 on each side. That's how the back look like. I just restyled it. You can choose to go with any braid pattern you want. As always, the twist came pre-looped, so it's super easy to crochet. All you need to do is loosen up the loop like this. It's not stiff. Just hold each side and pull it apart. For the back, I'll be crocheting 2 strands at a time. It's faster this way. I reduce it to 1 when I get to the mini cornrows in the front. So here's the easiest, fun and fast part, crocheting the hair in. This whole part took about 30 minutes to complete, and I believe at this point we all know how to crochet. So first I pass the crochet pin underneath the cornrow, then I place the loop twist in the open hook, close the hook, pull it through, and then finally double knot to secure it. That's basically all I'll be doing for the entire head, so I'll go ahead and quickly finish with it. I'm finally done crocheting all the twists in. That's all 6 packs. I used all of it and it looks pretty full. Now, moving on to the final touches. I'm not going to trim the entire hair. I'm just going to cut the overly long ones. As you can see, the color is primarily at the tip, and trimming it will result in me cutting most of it away. So I decided to leave it this way. I don't want to take the risks. I'll say it even looks perfect this way. Now here I'm just doing my edges. I'm adding in some baby hairs, which is completely optional. You can choose to leave it without it, and that will be fine too. The hair, although the material is synthetic, it's water friendly, so at this point you can spray in some water or go in with some mousse. You can add in some hair serum for a bit of shine as well. Now, adding in the water or mousse can also serve as an antifreeze, preventing the hair from tangling up. This hair is full and true to length. This is the 14 inches ombre burgundy, or more specifically color T118. They also have them in different colors and length to suit your preference. The direct link to this particular one will be in the video description in case you want to check them out. It's tangle free, springy and flowy. You can easily finger comb through. Also, these twists never unravels on its own. That's a real budget friendly hair. The curl stays intact, the twist lasts very long, and it can be reused. So that'll be all for today's video. As usual, this hair doesn't require much to maintain. I only use water, mousse, and some hair serum to prevent frizz. Also, make sure to put it in a bonnet before bedtime. Again, this color is very pigmented, permanent, and non-transferable, so you don't have to worry about it staining your dress or coming out when the hair gets wet. I've had this hair in for 6 weeks now. I still have it in, and so let me know if you all want a video on how to carefully take them down so they can be reused, or maybe just an update, because I plan on having it in for an extra week. And this hair is very versatile. It can be styled in so many ways. I've added in some cute ways you can style while you have it in. So let me know what you all think of this one, the color and the length. Is it a yay or a nay? Also, which other color do you want me to try next? Thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Make sure to turn on post notification. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.